Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Diablo 4 unable to find valid license error. So if you encounter the unable to find valid license error in Diablo 4, it indicates a problem with the game's licensing or authentication process. So here are some steps you can try to resolve this issue. First, you need to verify game ownership. Double check that you own a valid license for Diablo 4. Ensure that you purchased the game from an authorized retailer or through a legitimate digital distribution platform like Battle.net. Restart the game and client. Close Diablo 4 and exit the Battle.net client completely. Then, relaunch the Battle.net client and try launching Diablo 4 again. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary licensing issues. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Poor connectivity or network issues can interfere with the licensing process. Consider restarting your modem, router, or switching to a wired connection if you are using Wi-Fi. Update the game and client. Make sure that Diablo 4 and the Battle.net client are up to date. Developers often release updates to address various issues, including licensing problems. Check for updates in the Battle.net client and install any available updates for both the client and the game. Run as Run as administrator. Click Right-click on the Diablo 4 executable file or the Battle.net client shortcut and select Run as administrator from the context menu. This ensures that the game and client have the necessary permissions to access and validate the license. Clear Battle.net cache. In the Battle.net client, click on the Blizzard logo in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Game Install or Update tab and click on the Clear Cache button. This clears the Battle.net cache and may help resolving licensing issues. Disable security software. Temporarily disable or add exceptions for your antivirus or firewall software to ensure they are not blocking or interfering with the licensing process. Consult the documentation of your security software for instructions on how to do this. The last thing that you can do is to contact Blizzard support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, it is recommended to contact Blizzard support for further assistance. Provide them with the detailed information about the error message, the steps you've taken to troubleshoot, and any relevant account or purchase details. They will be able to provide specific guidance and solutions to help resolve the licensing error. Remember to keep your Diablo 4 purchase receipt or proof of ownership handy when contacting support, as they may request it for verification purposes. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.